Hi everybody, it's Ms.Salazar speaking and welcome to Science. Today we are going to talk about science tools. So the science tools are these right here, and we've talked about them before. We have the measuring tape. You can use it to measure around an object. Remember that this is bendable. You can bend it. It's not like a ruler. You have measuring cups. It measures the amount of liquid that something holds. You can use this for cooking. And you have the hand lens, which just makes things look bigger, and you can use this for reading. You also have the ruler, and it measures objects with straight lines. You also have the balance, and the balance measures mass. As you can see here, we have two books and one book. And two books have more mass than one book because this is more. We have the scale. It measures weight, how heavy or how light something is. And we have the thermometer, which measures the temperature. So right now we are going to do a little match. We have to choose which tool can we use to measure the following items. So let's see. We have right here a screen. So what can I do, or what can I use to measure a screen? Let's see. We can use a ruler. We can use a ruler to measure the screen. Why? Because a ruler measures straight lines. And as you can see here, the screen has very straight lines. It's like a square. Now, what can I use to measure the pineapple? I have a hand lens and I have a scale. I'm going to use the scale. The scale is going to measure the pineapple, but it's going to measure the weight. It's going to tell me how light or how heavy the pineapple is. And finally, I can use the hand lens to look at ants. Ants are very, very small, and the hand lens is going to enlarge the ant. It's going to make it look bigger. Okay, let's see. So I have a water bottle. What can I use? What tool can I use to measure a water bottle? Let's see. I can use the measuring tape. The measuring tape can measure the water bottle, and I can even measure around the water bottle because the measuring tape can bend. Let's see. What can I use to measure the mass of these shoes compared to the mass of this one pair of shoes? Here I have one pair of shoes, and here I have two pairs of shoes. What can I use? What tool can I use to measure the mass of these shoes? There you go, the balance. The balance. I can use the balance to measure the mass of an object. Now, this kid right here looks sick. He doesn't look well. So what tool can I use to help this kid, to give me more information about why he's feeling sick? And let's see, we have this tool and this tool left. We have to use the thermometer. The thermometer can tell me if the kid has a fever, and the measuring cup can measure how much water is in this cup. I can't use the measuring cup to help the kid. It's not going to tell me anything because measuring cups are used to measure the amount of liquid that something holds. So this cup has water, and this measuring cup can tell me how much water is in this cup. The thermometer can tell me if this kid has a fever, and maybe that's why he looks so sick. So this is your assessment. You're going to print this crossword puzzle. You're going to use what you know about tools to answer the crossword puzzle. Remember, across means from side to side. This is across from side to side. For example, number 6 is across, number 7 is across, number 3 is across. And down means from top to bottom. Number 1 is down, number 5 is down, 4 is down, and number 2 is down. Now, if you don't print the crossword puzzle, that's okay. You can answer it in your notebook. You can write the numbers 1 through 7. Here are the numbers 1 through 7. And next to each number, you can write the answer. So let's see. Here are the instructions. There are 7 science tools, the ones we just discussed, and you're going to write the name of each tool in the boxes. These little boxes, you're going to write the name of the tools right here. Now you're going to make sure that each tool belongs to the correct numbers 1 through 7. So right here we have the numbers 1 through 7, and across, remember that across means from side to side. So across we have number 3. Let's see. Okay, that's number 3. It's across. And number 3 says measures mass. Measures mass. Okay, so what science tool measures mass? I have to think about that science tool and I have to write the name of that science tool right here. Right here. Let's see, number 6, measures liquid. What science tool measures liquid? This is number 6. Let's see, and it's across. Okay, number 6, it's across. And right here in the boxes, I have to write the name of the science tool that measures liquid. And you're going to do exactly the same thing for everything else, okay? The numbers 1 through 7 give you clues to the type of tool that you need. Remember, across means from side to side, and down means top to bottom.